friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make neem tea. Very healthy and immunity boosting tea recipe. You can have this tea weekly once to boost your immunity and energy levels. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Before starting with the tea preparation, let's quickly check out the benefits of the tea leaves. Tea leaves helps to treat cold and fever, treats diabetics, treats your gum and bloody nose, cures liver problems, treats heart problems and kills intestinal worms. So a tea made with this neem leaves is definitely a healthy substitute for our regular one, so let's check on it. Heat a saucepan and add 2 cups of water. Today I have taken 15 neem leaves. Let's quickly clean wash it and add it to the water along with a teaspoon of palm sugar. You can also add regular sugar or jaggery. Even honey is a very healthy substitute. Let this boil for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame until the water absorbs all the flavors of the neem. This neem tea will definitely be a little bitter, so you can adjust the number of leaves according to your taste. Also, few variety of neem leaves will be very bitter. In that case, only 2 to 3 leaves for a cup of tea should be good enough. Now it's nicely boiling. Mix it in regular intervals to make sure the leaves don't stick to one another. Now it's been 2 minutes and the water color is nicely changed to a light green color, so off the flame. Strain the tea and serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. A very healthy and easy neem tea recipe to boost your immunity. So do try this neem tea recipe in your home and write back to me a feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Today I have taken some fresh neem leaves. Separate the leaves from the stem. Then chop them roughly and keep it ready. Transfer the chopped leaves to a ever silver plate. Spread it well with your hands. Sun dry the leaves for 24 hours. It's been a day and the leaves are completely dry by now. You can easily crumble them with your fingers. If you want fine powder, then you can use a mixer jar. Now our homemade neem powder is ready. Store it in an 8-8 container and you can use this for 6 months time. Very useful and healthy neem powder recipe. So do try this neem powder recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.